how to set up a sleep schedule on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable bedtime settings, alarms, and sleep tracking using the Health app. First, open the Health app on your iPhone. Next, tap Browse at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and select Sleep. In the Sleep section, you'll see the Schedule option. Tap on it to edit an existing schedule or create a new one by tapping on Get Started. Now, set your bedtime and wake-up time. For example, you can set your bedtime at 10 p.m. and your wake-up time at 6 a.m. if you want around 8 hours of sleep. Once you've set the schedule, you can also enable an alarm for your wake-up time, or enable the built-in wake-up alarm. Now, customize your alarm settings, including the sound, volume, and whether you want haptics, vibration. You can also enable or disable snooze depending on your preference. Once everything is set, tap Done to save your sleep schedule. Now, your sleep schedule is active. When your scheduled bedtime arrives, your iPhone will automatically turn on sleep focus, silence notifications, and help you maintain a healthy sleep routine. And that's how you set up a sleep schedule on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and guides.